Baden-Württemberg is the ideal location for a company like us, like Permag. The region offers a perfect combination of innovation, industrial strength, and proximity to customers. And some of the key industries for us, like medical technology or semiconductors, are well represented in the region, and all of them require high quality and reliability magnetic solutions. At the same time, companies like us benefit from highly skilled workforce, research institutions, and a very strong supplier network. But as well, the central location within Europe is definitely as well a benefit when it comes to communications or infrastructure. The support we got from Baden-Württemberg International was of tremendous value for us. Having their support, local support and assistance definitely helped us finding the right location for our expansion in Europe, and as well accelerating the site selection process. Baden-Württemberg International had a very solution-oriented approach, which really helped us during challenges within the project. And I would say that the professionalism and the quality of the support that we got exceeded our expectations. We see significant growth opportunities for us in Europe. Having more than 75 years of experience in the United States, but as well a very strong market position, is an excellent foundation for expanding activities here. We already serve critical and key industries in the region that are growing really fast in Europe, like medical technology, like aerospace, defense, or semiconductor, and having local engineering support and manufacturing support while we leverage a global organization, well established, with long-term know-how and expertise, is the right combination for long-term partnerships and relationships with customers here.